Some days, even the smallest task feels impossible. Answering a message, getting out of bed, opening the laptop, making food. And almost immediately, the mind offers one familiar explanation. I'm just lazy. But laziness and exhaustion are not the same. Laziness often sounds like, I could, but I don't want to. Exhaustion sounds different. I want to. I understand that I should, but something inside has gone quiet. When the mind has been under pressure for too long, it begins to save energy. Not beautifully, not conveniently, not when other people expect it. It simply turns the volume down on desire, on reaction, on decisions, even on joy. A person may look indifferent while actually being overloaded. They may stay silent while carrying too much inside. They may do nothing while punishing themselves for it all day. Self-blame does not restore energy. It takes what is left. So the first step is not to force yourself to get it together. The first step is to name the state correctly. Not, I'm lazy. I'm exhausted. Not, something is wrong with me. I need recovery. Today, you do not need to rebuild your whole life. Choose one personal minimum, one action for the body, one action for your space, one action that does not destroy you further, and one sentence to yourself. I am not broken. I am tired. Sometimes this is where returning begins.